A year ago, I picked up a rug from Parkland, Florida. Was the number one rug I ever cleaned. The rug was almost as a cardboard, stiff from dog urine odor. One dog that refused to go outside and pee constantly on this silk rug. It's a beautiful rug. However, the lady said to me, I would like you to come over and clean the rug. That's several company try already to clean it. However, the smell it's overwhelming. I want you to come over and clean it. And upon delivery, if I still smell any peepee, I am not going to pay you. And I said, deal. This is the deal that I like. I pick up the rug 5 minutes from my house and I put it on a vacuum floor. The rug was saturated so bad with the urine odor, then I simply don't have to use the vacuum. I just flush the rug for the 30 minutes straight with a clear water, nothing else. And after 30 minutes, I let my cleaning process progress. The vacuum everything, extract everything through the rug from the bottom of the rug, and the blended minerals from the Dead Sea cover it on the top. This cleaning product removes everything that is deep inside the wool, the cotton, any crystal will be washed out completely. And the tube show me what's coming from the rug. All the peepee, the dirt, the cleaning product, all the customers use on it. And the carpet cleaner, the enzyme, deodorize, the soap, detergent, everything's washed out from the rug. Upon delivery, I asked the lady, put your nose whatever you want on the rug, on the top of the rug, in the back of the rug, guarantee wool. The lady didn't hesitate. She went over her knees and smelled it. She called her daughter. Her daughter came over and smelled it. I got the check. Thank you very much for watching Pet PeePee, the only one guarantee in writing urine odor removal permanently. Even if your rug is stiff as a cardboard, I will remove the urine odor completely and guarantee no trace of any odor. Text me the picture to the number that follow.